It's Heather here, and I'm here to talk to you why solar power is so vital and how exactly to get involved with it. Because, I'm a poor college student, and probably whoever's listening to this doesn't really have that much money either. We're on YouTube. First things first is here's a wicked cool picture of the sun because we don't really get to see it very often because it's super bright and it's hot, and it's really hard to take a decent photo of it. This dead star is full of energy, and that's why it's the key to all of our problems, and maybe more. So, why exactly should you invest in solar power or even consider it? Well, it's cheap, efficient, and unlimited. So, first things first, there's this huge myth that solar power is super expensive and unattainable, which is all a lie. You'll pay way more to the electric company than the creators and installers of this product. So, FP&L is lying to you. It's just the upfront cost that scares a lot of people off. You get some cool tax benefits too, just for investing. And who doesn't like tax benefits? Who doesn't want a tax break? A good company to research is Solar Power Rocks. It provides a whole bunch of information how to invest and stay in your budget. Solar Power Rocks' motto is to give homeowners a clear picture of the policies, incentives, and investment returns on local solar power installations. So if you're in Florida, you could probably figure out all you need to do for it. And same thing with Alabama or Hawaii or anywhere. The second reason to invest in solar power is the efficiency. Have you ever heard of the fact that the sun produces a whole bunch of energy each and every day? There's enough to supply all of the world's needs just in 1 hour to emphasize the magnitude of how awesome solar power is. At the moment, there's an unfortunate amount of people that don't have access to electricity or clean water, and using solar power could change that. And who doesn't want to share electricity, especially if it doesn't come at much cost and it's unlimited? It could potentially make developing countries into more industrialized countries, and instead of just all agricultural. And my last and most important reason is it's unlimited. It's not like fossil fuels that smell up the air and smell disgusting and contribute to climate change. It will never go away until we go away. It's a bad day when the sun goes away. And we as a society need a resource like that. Our future generations need a resource like that. So here's the big question. How can I get involved? Or what can I do? As simple as showing support for these companies like Tesla that are using solar panels to charge up cars, and just companies that create solar panels and install them. That just helps. And same thing with joining environmental advocacy groups or just in getting involved locally. It helps. You don't have to necessarily invest yourself in a Tesla, but just showing that you care is good enough. So just get involved.